College Cooking with Cheryl. So what we're going to learn how to do today is we're going to learn how to make the perfect scrambled eggs. So when I was little, I did not like scrambled eggs. I didn't like eggs in general. But I recently figured out why. My mom always added milk to the eggs, but that makes the eggs rubbery and dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to add water to our eggs, and it's going to make them moist and fluffy. So what we're going to need for the scrambled eggs today is eggs, check. Water, check. Cooking spray, check. A fork, check. A spatula, check. And a frying pan, check. We are ready to go. Awesome, so it's time we get cracking. What we're going to start with is we're going to crack our eggs into our water, and we're going to whisk with a fork, because sometimes in college you don't have all the fancy kitchen utensils you might need. But you can use a fork just as well. And so that's what we're going to do now. Now that we've whisked the eggs into the water, it's going to be this really light yellow color and kind of frothy. So that's the consistency that we want for our perfect scrambled egg. So our eggs still look a little bit wet, but it's okay because our pan is so hot that they'll still cook a little bit after we turn the heat off. Alright, now our eggs are done, and now it's time to eat them. So you can eat them in a burrito, or plain, or in a sandwich. While you're cooking it, you could add vegetables to it, or seasonings. We're a big fan of the Tony Chachere's. But now it's just time to eat. And eggs are a pretty cheap way to eat in college. They're not super expensive, but they are really, really good.